In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Tag Manager container correctly added to your theme so you can manage analytics and marketing tags without touching code every time. Start by opening your Shopify admin on your computer. From the left-hand menu, select Online Store. This brings you to your Themes area, where your live storefront is controlled. Look for the three dots next to your current theme. This icon opens more options. Click the three dots, then choose Edit Code. You're now in the Theme Code Editor, which looks intimidating, but we're only touching one file. In the file list on the left, open the Layout folder and click Theme. Liquid. This is the master template that contains your head and body tags, so anything you place here loads across your entire site. Now switch over to your Google Tag Manager account in a new tab. Open the installation instructions and copy the first code snippet you see. This is the main container code meant for the head section of your site. Return to Shopify's theme. Liquid. Find the opening head tag near the top of the file. Make a clean space just below that opening tag and paste the code you copied. Keep it as is and don't tuck it inside any other script or style blocks. Placing it high in the head helps your tags load reliably. Next, we'll add the second snippet. Go back to Google Tag Manager and copy the second code provided in the instructions. This one is designed for the body. Come back to Theme.Liquid and locate the opening body tag. Create a space directly beneath that opening body tag and paste the second snippet there. This placement is important because it provides a fallback for browsers with JavaScript disabled and ensures Tag Manager initializes as intended. Take a moment to double-check. First snippet under head, second snippet right under body. Make sure you haven't accidentally duplicated the code or placed it inside the wrong tag. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Shopify will confirm the changes, and from this point forward, your storefront will load Google Tag Manager on every page. That's all you need to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify. With the container installed, you can manage tags, triggers, and variables directly inside Tag Manager without editing your theme again. If your theme editor looks slightly different, just remember you're looking for Layout and Theme.Liquid, and the goal is to place the first snippet in head and the second right after body.